Alright, I'm gonna go get my stuff. I got some upgrading to do. I got me some.
I got me some man panties.
Man panties. Hell yeah. Again, yeah. The 10 guards for men. And there's another video before this. And there's another video that's like, I thought it was scratch and sniff. And guess what? It's men's. I was scratching his wiener and sniffing it too. I didn't realize until I rewatched the video at the very end. After I sat back down at the table and watched it, I was like, oh man, it's a dude. I'm not that man. No. Alright. Get this party started. My own little porno. No. What do you give? They got a brown chicken and a brown cow. I told this to my buddy one time out in California. He's like, a lot of brown shit. I was like, no, man, you get a porno. You got brown chicken, brown cow. Falling down. Yeah, I'm excited to get my pants on. Here he is. I kept my things down there. I didn't even pull them up. I'm so happy to get rid of this damn fucking things. I don't know that bad. It's just crinkly and they really sweat. I mean, you sweat like crazy. The water doesn't evaporate. It's not like Thinsulate or that stuff, Thinsulate or whatever it is. Gore-Tex, that kind of thing. Nah, it's just like, I like to block some of this crap out. Little wiggle dance. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. More poo. Watch out for the poo. Here's the poo. Okay. The poo's me like bending over so much and squeezing and stuff that got my damn blood coming out right there. The blood's not supposed to come out the top side. My undies. Some fresh underwear on too. I gotta go get them. Ooh. Believe it or not, it don't smell. My mom will attest to that. I had him, Mom, you trust me? Come on now. Just one time. She's like, it surprised her because there's no smell. It's the weirdest shit. And you know why there's no smell? I'm freaking anemic, man. I bleed so damn much. I got no iron in my blood, so I got no copper damn smell. Yeah. Alright, you guys ain't gonna get to see none of this, but I'm getting naked. Look at this. Going through everything to get to everything. Glad to be done with this, man. Blood is hard to get out. Say the best way to get out is cold water. Because you're not cooking it. You're not coagulating it. Not coagulation. Yeah, it is coagulation. I'm thinking clotting, but it's not. It's, ouch, you little motherfucker. You bite me? You just... My imagination. Probably my imagination. I know you guys are in here, so... I'm not imagining that part. I just might have been imagining the other one. Oh, hit my dude with the bones. Hit me. Bend down, get lightheaded. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Maybe big beer. That's my butt. Just in case I can't see you. I'm just going to smack around. Let you know what I'm doing here. Phew. Little fucker. Little dog dick gnat. One of them little gnats that hang around with dog ding-a-ling. Ding-a-lingers. Him a ding-a-linger. Him a ding-a-linger. Oh yeah. Him a ding-a-linger. Dim-a-linger. He's a dim-a-linger. Okay, which one I want to put on first? I guess I gotta put the painting on first. Hell yeah. It's been a very long time since I've ever had anything like that. I've never had anything like this. But I've had a very long time since I've actually been able to get anything at all. And my mom got me these. Thank you, Mom. Love you. Wow. Oh, you motherfucker. That was just me. You damn babies in my butthole. But I'm bleeding. You motherfuckers. Oh, asshole. He bit me in the butt. He bit me in the butt. He bit my butthole. I felt that, damn it. Just because I ain't got no nerves back there don't mean I ain't got nerves. Huh? Because I can't feel it. Doesn't mean it's working. It's a weird shit, man. Tear these things up. How do they work? I don't think that's supposed to be connected like that. No, okay, it's not. Hey, these things already got the little pads in them. Mom, where'd you go? So nice to see you again, Clarice. Hey, this thing smells pretty good. I just walk around with one of these damn things on my head. Walk around on my head, one on my butt. A boogie woogies. So damn tired, man. I'm starting to see traces and stuff. It's not good. See, they can't do nothing when you ain't got no butt. Alright, I'm trying to put it in front. This is that a smiley face? SM? Something? SM, okay, that's the back. I guess that would be back. And then that baby hooey. That's got cool, man. That's what's special now. That's kind of awesome, Phil. Damn. I'm gonna dance, man. I'm gonna get lightheaded. Damn. Orthostatic hypotension. Oh no, that's what the girls do. I don't know if I need one of these in here, but I might just put one in there anyways. There's got one already inside of it. These are men's guards, maximum for larger surges. Surges? Bad I couldn't drain this stuff out and put it in a cup and like shoot it back up in my veins, man. Put it back up in there. Maximum? Nothing? Okay. Man, no maximum taste. It's got string though. Look like a tea bag. Am I supposed to boil this thing? Ouch. Does not help. Okay, I guess the big one goes in there. I guess so. What's that? Okay. I need it for my what though? I don't need it for my wiener. For my wing name. Might need to turn around from my butt instead. I don't have to do. Whew. Oh. Turn around from my butt. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. It's kind of nice and look at that right there. It's from my butt. Man, I'm like 5 feet tall now. I'm sitting down on a park bench or something. I ain't sitting on that park bench, man. Yeah. Kind of comfy, a bit, somewhat. Now I gotta put clean clothes on. Damn. That's too much work. I like this so much. That's weird as hell feeling. It's really super like... That's gotta be plastic or something. That is crazy. It's almost like that stuff you find on the bottom of couches or on the bottom of beds that they cover up the box spring mattress with. They're really soft, velvety. Like a... Damn, which is good for cleaning something off. Don't leave no damn... I don't know if we leave lint or not. We'll find out. I'll save it. Uh-oh. I'm fixing to... Uh-oh. Not good. Damn it. I initiated it. Fresh off the pooper. Damn, that's not good. Damn, I ain't got a chance to break it in yet. Oh, we gotta stop this. We gotta stop the video. Boop, 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 boop.